Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two compact dash cams that are ready to capture your wildest road adventures. On the left, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, we have the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one deserves a spot on your dashboard. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P is priced slightly lower at $119. Looks like the Aerophase is starting off strong with some savings in your pocket. When it comes to capturing those stunning road moments, video quality is key. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens and records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. On the other hand, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P takes it up a notch with a 2K+1080P dual camera setup in the front and rear, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. It even has a 4K Ultra HD option for the front camera. That's some serious resolution right there. Now let's talk about the features that set these dash cams apart. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers voice control, allowing you to save videos, start-stop audio recording, and even take still pictures with a simple voice command. It also has a parking guard feature that alerts you if any incidents are detected around your parked vehicle. Meanwhile, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can even edit and share your footage directly from your smartphone. Plus, it has a 24-hour parking mode that automatically switches on when your car is parked, providing continuous protection. Now let's talk about the design. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is as discreet as it gets. It's the size of a car key and mounts behind your rearview mirror, going virtually unnoticed. On the other hand, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P is also compact and easy to install, making sure it doesn't obstruct your vision while driving. Both cameras have sleek designs that won't cramp your style. When it comes to storage, both dash cams have got you covered. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 requires at least an 8GB micro SD card, up to 512GB supported, while the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P comes with a generous 64GB micro SD card included. That's a great value right out of the box. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is praised for its compact size and non-obtrusive design. However, some users have reported issues with the bright indicator light, causing glare at night and difficulties with wireless Apple CarPlay. On the other hand, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P receives positive reviews for its great video quality, user-friendly app, and excellent customer support. The only downside mentioned is the loss of cellular service when connecting to the app. Ultimately, it's important to consider your priorities and choose the dash cam that best suits your needs. Alright folks, it's decision time. Both the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P have their own unique features and advantages. If you prioritize voice control and a discreet design, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 might be your best bet. But if you're looking for impressive video quality, a wide range of features, and a great price, the Aerophase Dash Cam Front and Rear 2K+1080P is definitely worth considering. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs. So do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and make a smart purchasing decision. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more comparisons on Buy Smart. Happy driving, everyone!